Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend NEPAL. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of screen flickering or flashing when you open the operating system installed in your VirtualBox. So friends, first don't forget to hit the subscribe button, after that hit the bell icon so that you are connected with me. Now let's leave this here and let me show you. This is the operating system installed in my VirtualBox, and when I try to open any you know um, application, the screen flashes. You can see this here. When I try to open the terminal, it flashes even more. So to solve this problem, you just have to close your operating system, install in a VirtualBox, and after that open VirtualBox, and after that you can see here in the settings, click on that, and after that in display you have to disable the 3D acceleration. So disable the 3D acceleration and click on OK. Now again start your operating system installed in your VirtualBox. Okay, now the issue of screen flickering would be solved. You can see this here. Now the screen is not flashing. So when I try to open the terminal, it is working fine. Now screen is not flashing. So um, you can see this here. My operating system is working fine. So hey guys, this much for today. I'll make this video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope that this video solved your problem. Have a nice day. Jai Nepal.